I am 55 years old. It's difficult to change. It's a joke. Listen, there is a lot of categories in sports that they put you in that category, and you can be 20 years with that category. You know, I was called set pieces coach when I was in Bengaluru, and last season we didn't score a lot of goals in set piece. So I think that we as a professionals, we know what we do. It's true that last season the main thing was to give a culture of defend well to go for the result. A team that was conceding 2 goals every game, difficulty is going to get points, and it was happening the seasons before with Indian Super League. East Bengal participating. I remember results like 6-4, 6-5. It's not my style for sure, because it means that you are doing a lot of bad things in the strategy if you concede so many goals. So I'm happy that the team understands that. There was an incredible effort from the players. We got in total 10 clean sheets during the season. The work not only of the goalkeeper, also the work of all the team working hard. I remember a lot of trainings where we were settling the structure to be compact, to be competitive, and I think that work allows us to reach finals and to be fighting for Indian Super League slot in the playoff until the last game. It was the first thing that we have to arrange, you know, and you have seen in the history of Indian Super League that this has been happening a lot. That the teams that become champions are the teams that they protect the goal and they are dangerous when they attack. And this is the next step. I'm sure that with the variety that we have now in our offensive options, we are going to be more offensive, and we are going to create more ball situations. I'm sure about that.
Coach,